Hello, hi friends, welcome to surveysaction.com. This is the business plan I want to tell you about. This survey is run by Action Research Limited. Action Research has been doing offline survey, that is face-to-face survey, for the past 12 years. Now they have gone to online surveys because the market trend has changed, so they have come to online survey. This is a very old company which is in the survey field for quite some time now. So there are four packs, that is the starter, standard, advantage and professional, which I'm going to tell you about. And these are for referrals, but we'll talk about that later. This is the incorporated certificate of the company. This is the that is certificate of incorporation of a private limited company. It's registered in England, UK on the 22nd of July 2010. Now let me tell you about the plan in detail. Surveys Action gives you a long-term survey income. This is a one-time payment. For all the packs, you pay a one-time payment. Discover how to make as much money as you want just by having an internet connection, some spare time, and an opinion. Your opinion is worth gold to big businesses. They are ready to pay you right now for your spare time. Opportunity in action research. The starter pack is $125, which is 6,500 rupees. Standard pack is $250, which is 13,000 rupees. Advantage pack is $500, which is 26,000 rupees. And professional pack is $1,000, which is 52,000 rupees. So all this is one-time payment. You can either start with $1,125 and upgrade later. It's up to you what you do. What you need, how much you want to earn is that much you need to invest. Types of income. There are four types of income: referral income, binary income, extra income, and survey income. But referral income, it's referring people is not compulsory. But if you do it, they pay you handsomely for your effort. Let's see survey income. For starter pack, starter, standard, advantage and professional pack, it's all weekly. You get two surveys for everything, irrespective of what pack you choose. For $125 pack, which is starter pack, you get two surveys, $5 each, which is $10. For 4 weeks a month, you get $40. For standard pack, it's two surveys again, $10 each, which is $80 per month. Advantage pack is also two surveys weekly, $20 each, so it's $160 every month. Professional is again two surveys a week, which is $40 per survey, and you get $320 per month. When you finish a survey, it takes 30 days for the payment to come. So the first month you need to wait. From the second month, every week you get paid, and you can take it out, can take your income through your payment process. So the referral income, they pay you 5 levels, but I'll explain it to you in person or when you call me, because only if you're okay with referring people, then you tell me. then I'll explain all these things to you. Okay, and the binary income and the extra income is all this is when you start referring people. Survey income is a long term income. They pay you 32%, which is for life. You pay once. Okay, and you can join through Alert Pay, PayPal, Euro Gold Cash, eGold, Global Digital Pay, Liberty Reserve, Money Bookers, Web Money, okay, anything. So they have all these process, which is a good thing. Not many companies have many process. They have all the process, payment process at one time. And you can withdraw money also through these payment process. You can add your debit card or your credit card, or you can directly withdraw money to your respective bank accounts. For further clarifications and doubts, you can always contact me at shriom22 at yahoo.in, or you can Skype me at shriom22, or you can always call me at these two numbers. Thank you. Welcome.